I'm going to show you how you can test your internet speed right from your mobile device. Now, obviously, there's a way to do this on a desktop and a laptop, but most websites today are mobile friendly. So we can do this straight from our iPhone or Android. So what we want to do is go to Google, and then we can just type in the search bar something as simple as internet speed test. You can see that I already have it listed below. So let me go ahead and select this. And now for me, the first one that comes up is Ucla. Not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but you'll see speed test by Ookla, and it is a .net, so I trust this website. Let's go ahead and select it. And then you're actually going to notice that they have their own app as well. So if you want to, you can go to the App Store, you can download the app, and if you do that, you'll probably get some more advanced metrics as it says right above. But anyways, if I just want to do this straight from my phone without downloading the app, I can just go ahead and select go. And then once we hit go, it's going to run the test right here. And this is only going to give us our download speed. It's not going to perform the upload speed for us. I'm sure if you get the app, it will probably also give you the upload speed as well. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.